Tired of Microsoft breathing down your neck right from the start? We're going to break free and install Windows 11 without being forced to create or log in with a Microsoft account. Let's reclaim our privacy. First, begin your Windows 11 installation. As usual, when you reach the network connection screen, this is where we make our move. Disconnect your computer from the internet. You can do this by unplugging the Ethernet cable or disabling Wi-Fi. Because you don't have an internet connection, you may encounter a "something went wrong" error. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal and by design. Now, here is the magic trick. Press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, type "oob bypass row" and then press enter. This command is what will allow you to bypass the Microsoft account login requirement. Your computer will restart automatically. After the restart, the setup process will continue. You should now be presented with an option to create a local account. Enter your desired username and password. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows 11 using a local account. You are now in control. Enjoy the privacy and customization that comes with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.